What stood at the edge of the woods was a massive, hideous creature that could only be described as death itself. It let loose an otherworldly screech that pierced my eardrums, which caused me to drop to my knees and reel in pain. I scrambled to cover my ears and got to my feet just in time to see it sprint from the tree line, clearing half the distance between us in a split second. Although I had been doing my best to suppress it, fear had completely taken over. I had no idea what this thing was or what it was capable of. It was moving faster than anything I had ever seen before. The closer it got, the stronger the chill became. I could feel myself starting to lose consciousness. My vision had begun to blur, but before I fell, I saw the shadow dog lunge at the creature from behind and bite into its neck. The creature let out a loud, distorted cry as it struggled to free itself from the dog's grasp. They both tumbled to the ground, engaged in a ferocious battle, which allowed me time to collect myself and get back inside. I hurriedly locked the door, then checked my rifle to make sure that it was ready. I tried to force myself to look back out the window to see how the fight was going, but all I could see was darkness. I collapsed back into the armchair and tried to steady my breathing. All was silent for a few moments, then I heard the dog's familiar growl once more. I forced myself to my feet and moved toward the window again. When I looked out, I saw the dog standing at the edge of the clearing, its eyes locked onto mine. The monstrous creature was nowhere to be seen. The dog let out one last bark before it disappeared into the darkness of the woods. The night passed uneventfully after that. When the first light of dawn broke, I cautiously stepped outside, rifle in hand. There was no sign of the shadow dog or the monstrous creature. I looked around the clearing, half expecting to find evidence of the battle, but there was nothing.